In 2025, the potential to earn significant income through blogging remains robust, requiring strategic approaches and consistent effort. Choose a profitable niche to maximize your earning potential, balancing passion with profitability to keep you motivated. Invest in a memorable domain name and reliable hosting with platforms like Bluehost, SiteGround, or WP Engine. Content is the backbone of your blog. Focus on SEO optimization, value-driven content, and consistency. Implement strategies like SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing to drive traffic to your blog. Diversify income streams such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and digital products to reach your financial goals. Regularly review your blog's performance using Google Analytics and A/B testing to identify strengths and areas for improvement. As your blog grows, hire freelancers and automate tasks to help scale your business. Stay informed about blogging trends and algorithms. Join communities and follow thought leaders to adapt your strategies. Building a blog that earns $50,000 annually requires dedication and smart strategies. Start today and achieve success through persistence.